The third telco player in the Philippines, Dito Telecommunity, rolled out their service as early as March 2021, but service areas were limited to Metro Cebu and Metro Davao. The SIM cards would only cost you 40 pesos, and the welcome promo with unlimited data for 199 pesos was offered until March 31. So with this, I was very much eager to try this new service and ask some friends in Mindanao if they could ship a Dito SIM card for me. However, there also seems to be a shortage of SIM cards because even they had to wait for availability. I tried looking for the SIM card in Lazada and Shopee, but all were pre-orders, meaning the suppliers don't have the SIM cards on hand as well. I completely forgot about Dito until it started popping up in my Lazada feed through the Dito Telecommunity flagship store. Clicking on the item, I saw that it cannot be delivered to my address, and that's the time I checked Dito's current serviceable areas, and then as of posting time, they are now available in parts of Luzon as well. Still missing though is Metro Manila, reason why Lazada can't deliver to me yet. Still, I was sure that there would be resellers out there, so I finally got my Dito SIM card after 4 days as the seller shipped the item from Davao. The package is very simple, but the addition of the SIM card ejector pin was nice. Not everyone still has their ejector pins. The seller also took the liberty of registering the SIM card on the buyer's behalf. That's why the back part was already ripped. Dito is already showing up in cellmapper.net, but I have yet to see the towers in Metro Manila, and I'm not really sure if I could get a signal in my location here in Bicutan, Paranaque. After a few minutes of waiting, I got 2 bars of 4G signal but no data. For reference, I inserted the Dito SIM card on my Poco F3, and having read some users of Dito, I knew there had to be some settings to be configured for data to work on my phone. Looking at Dito's Lazada page, you'll see different SIM cards specific for your cell phone's brand. You can check compatible devices on Dito's website or on the Dito app. Upon changing the APN settings, I got a 4G signal and immediately took a speed test. With 2 bars at 5 PM on a Sunday, download speed was at 5.92 Mbps, while upload speed was at 15.5 Mbps. To monitor your usage, Dito has its own app and it's easy to navigate. Here you'll see your remaining data, calls, and SMS. You can also top up your number through the app using your Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card, GCash, GrabPay, and even WeChat Pay. I'll compare Dito to GoMo once it's officially available in Metro Manila, but for starters, its 199 promo for 25 gigabytes is similar to the intro promo of GoMo. But the difference, of course, is that GoMo's data doesn't expire. GoMo also recently offered unlimited data to areas covered by Dito, while Smart recently offered unlimited 5G data as well, so it would be really interesting once Dito is launched officially in Metro Manila, because even with limited areas, other telecommunication companies are stepping up to the challenge. So that's our quick look at Dito Telecommunity. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.